10 Best Camera for Vlogging in 2021. Looking to become a better vlogger? Think about upgrading your camera, audio and stabilization tool to better engage with your audience and keep those YouTube views coming. Start with the best gear and video cameras for live streaming you can get. So let's start by number 1. DJI Osmo Action. The Osmo Action is DJI's attempt to take on GoPro Hero series head-on, and we must say they did a brilliant job. Not only does it undercut its GoPro Hero 7 competitor in price, it also beats it in some features. It matches the GoPro Hero 7 in most technical aspect, but it has a larger, longer lasting battery and a very handy front screen. This provides for better functionality than the GoPro Hero 7, as you can see what you're vlogging while you're filming. Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket. Honestly, for under $300, there isn't much to dislike about DJI's Osmo Pocket as a beginner vlogging camera. It's supremely portable, waterproof, and still packs in 4K video. In fact, you can probably think of it as a GoPro with a big trick up its tiny sleeve. That big trick is a DJI's world-famous gimbal stabilization. All of the other vlogging cameras on this list will use digital stabilization, which is to say that software will do its best to make the video look more stable. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix DC S5. As far as full-frame cameras go, the Panasonic Lumix DC S5 is just about the perfect model for vloggers. It sports a forward-facing LCD, records superb 4K videos at 10-bit quality, and supports an external mic so you can get pro-grade audio to go with your video. You can buy it as a body only for around $2K, but we absolutely recommend vloggers get the kit with the Lumix S20-60mm zoom lens for $2,300. It's a perfect lens for vlogging. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The big update to this year's flagship GoPro, the Hero 9 Black, is a full-color front screen, a must-have for vloggers. You can put a small camera on the selfie stick or mount it particularly anywhere and net excellent 4K or 5K videos with superlative digital stabilization. Add-on media modes including an improved microphone and the ultra-wide max lens are available to extend its functionality. The Hero 9 is a black priced at $349.98, which includes the cost of a 1-year subscription to the GoPro cloud service but costs $100 more if you buy it without the subscription. We recommend you get the bundle. Number 5. Canon EOS M50. Fans of Canon were very excited to see the EOS M50, their first foray into the 4K capable mirrorless market. The EOS M50 is a camera for enthusiasts in that it has plenty of features but not too many as to overwhelm you. While video image is good, we should warn you that when you film in 4K, there is a 1.6x crop. This means the sensor zooms in 1.6 times to cater for 4K stabilized footage. This is okay if you're looking for tight shots, but if you want a very wide angle on the kit 15-45mm lens, you might struggle to capture everything. Number 6. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III digital DSLR camera packs a full-frame CMOS sensor inside its body. Although the model looks a bit bulky, it offers buckets of glorious light and detail in your photos and vlog footage. The 20.1-megapixel camera is the latest DSLR jewel for Canon. The DIGIC processor combined with a strong sensor give you from 16 to 20 FPS in the live view mode with the shutter, where it can work as a mirrorless camera. You can also capture 180p with 120 FPS in slow mode. It's why this is an excellent camera for filmmaking. Number 7. Panasonic Lumix GX8. The Lumix G8 is a follow-up to a widely acclaimed Lumix G7. The first thing you'll notice about the GX8 is that it's built like a tank. With a mostly magnesium alloy frame, this is definitely the sturdiest Micro Four Third camera out there. It offers everything you would need in a vlogging camera, with 4K video, variable angle touchscreen, and a slightly different retro design language. The feature that people seem to enjoy most about the Lumix GX8 is glorious, high-resolution viewfinder that adds to a touch of old-school glamour to the photography and video process. Number 8. Fujifilm XT4. The Fujifilm XT4 is packed with the gills with imaging features, but it's also the best video camera the company has ever made. It supports 4K capture and 10-bit quality, offers a flat profile for color grading, and 5-axis image stabilization for smoother handle footage. Supports for external microphones is there, and you can connect headphones via USB-C for monitoring. If you don't want to grade your own video, in-camera profile are vast and offer looks ranging from bleach bypass to black and white. Number 9. Sony ZV1 camera. The Sony ZV1 camera packs an array of options inside a quite small body. Although it fits in your pocket, this camera is designed specially for vloggers as it has some excellent video features. The flip-around screen and an impressive built-in microphone can make a vlogger star out of you. The model has 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor and the fast hybrid AF. Still, this camera doesn't have the electronic viewfinder, and it's better to use it for video since it comes with the perk-like background defocus, built-in natural density filter for outdoors, face priority exposure setting, and the soft skin effect of soften the blemishes on your skin. Number 10. Sony Alpha 7C. Although many argue that the A7 III and Alpha 7C full-frame compact mirrorless camera are particularly the same camera, yes, they are similar in many respects. Still, the price and a few crucial features are what differentiate the two models. Some of the biggest improvements lie in the Alpha 7C's battery life, AF performance, and the kit lens. Because of its large Z-type battery, you can take 740 pictures with LCD screen and 680 if you are using viewfinder. It can be charged via USB-C connection. You can record slow motion at 120 fps in 1080p.